Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want you to tell me if this is a real fire alarm smoke detector. It could be, you could put this in the comments. If it's a real fire alarm, like a school fire alarm, or you could put in the comments, it's a fake fire alarm. And eventually I will add in the comments and tell everyone if it's a real fire alarm or not. But you have to guess because my camera is black and you are not able to see. So make sure you like and subscribe. You have to tell me this is real or not. So I'm obviously going to go walk over and pull something down. I'm going to go pull the fire alarm down. Okay, so tell me if this sounds real. Okay, I just reset the fire alarm. Now, you have to put in the comments, do you think it's a real fire alarm or do you think it's a fake fire alarm? Alright, tell me in the comments down below. Thanks everybody, thanks for watching.